Hey, good morning, my good friends. This is Frank. I have some bad news for my Koch Chemie Canadian fans. It appears that between 15 to 20% of the Koch Chemie line is getting banned as of right now in Canada. It seems like it is connected to Koch Chemie products not being compliant with the Canadian government. So this week I was working on a Koch Chemie video and I found out that many of their products were either out of stock, heavily discounted, or even discontinued already. So I have been doing a bit more digging, and yes, I have this confirmed. At least 7 products are already banned and possibly more. So I just want to be very clear. It's not the entire line that is getting banned. It is, as I said, a few products that I'm going to tell you right now. The first product confirmed ban is ASC. This is your all surface cleaner or car interior detailer. It seems also that it is connected to the solvent heavy type of products, all right? So the next one is Gummy Fix, your interior plastic floor mat restorer. This is going to be painful for many of you guys. I really understand. The next one is the spray sealant or SOO2. A very good one indeed. And speaking of solvent, the strongest solvent from Koch Chemie, Ulex, is also leaving the shelves. There's also Orange Power, which is your interior solvent. There's also TEA or Tear Wash. This is another exterior solvent to remove stock-on contaminant. And there's also a tire dressing, which is the silicone-free tire dressing called PSS or Plus Star. So I have not reached out to Koch Chemie for any comments. I don't work for Koch Chemie. I'm not a representative for Koch Chemie, but I was finding out that this is happening also in California. So double check in your area if you have any news and let me know down below, and I will make sure to update you guys as this is happening. So as I said, don't panic, don't buy anything if you don't have to, but many of these products are not available, and I'm not sure what is going to be available when I post this video. So again, most of the line is safe and still available. But with Koch Chemie being an overseas type of brand, many of those products may not be available for a very long time, meaning that it may take a while before we see an updated compliant version or a version 2 of some sort. So my friends, as I said, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. This is not a secret, but I just want to let you know as soon as possible, since many of us really like the brand. All right, my friends, with that being said, I'll talk to you very soon and take care.